Assalamu alaikum. Today our topic abiotic and biotic components of an ecosystem. Abiotic components, non-living things that have significant roles in the several of the living organisms in an ecosystem. Most important abiotic components are water, sunlight, air, soil, and temperature. Water. All living things need water. It is considered a universal solvent since it dissolves other substances. Sunlight. It is a main energy source on earth. Animals and plants could not survive without the sun. It is necessary for a process of photosynthesis. Air. It is a mixture of gases that we breathe. Human, plants, and animals will not survive without air. Soil. Soil. It is made up of small particles of rock mixed with decomposed living things like animals. It is where the plants get their water and nutrients for growth and development. Its composition varies from one place to another. Temperature. It is an abiotic factor that is influenced by sunlight. It varies from one location to another. It influences which plants or animals can live in an area. Biotic components. The living things that help shape an ecosystem, affect other organisms either as consumers or producers. Each biotic factor needs energy to do the work, food for proper growth and human influence. Biotic components include producers, consumers, and decomposers. Producers can make their own food by converting the energy from the sun into food. Convert solar energy into chemical energy with the help of organic and inorganic substance. Consumers depend on producers for food, the organisms that feed another organisms to survive. Consume the food materials prepared by the products. Decomposers. Decomposers are break down chemicals from producers and consumers into a simpler form that can be reused. Microorganisms like bacteria and fungi. I hope you have understood. Take care. Allah Hafiz.